Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and I'm not usually in front of the camera. If I do, yeah, go see. I'm gonna do this today ensemble of this towel rack, aluminum towel rack. It's very light, and you can get the I put on the URL if you want to buy or you want to check out the this product. I bought it in Shopee, only 15 ringgit 90 cents, I guess. And the best thing is I don't need to drill, but just use the adhesive that given. And I'm going to show you how to ensemble do the installation. First, they give the adhesive and also sticker together. Okay, so we're gonna use this. For the wall, if you can see here, this is the first one that I did. So I did the experiment first. So it's gonna be like this, a sticker. So you're gonna I have to cut this first. Wait. So we have a sticker. Silver color. What do? You have to stick it in the middle. Okay. Do the same on the other side. If you look into my skin, it's like so oily. It's not oily, it's just sweat. Okay. This is all gentle. Then, what do? We need the adhesive to be behind the towel rack. So this is the adhesive given. Okay. I'm not sure how to handle this, but I just open it like this and then push it out, but it doesn't seem want to cooperate like that. So no, so when you have it, yeah. One, two, three, and 4. Do the same on the other side. One, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's it. Then just stick it on the wall. Yeah. And then you secure with this sticker. And this also. Okay, it's aluminium. It's like, so it won't fall off. So trust me. So you need like 48 hours to 72 hours, but I'm gonna take like 72 hours, at least 3 days. Let it be dry and to be used. Okay, so that's it from me. I do this video because of, at first I Google first and I YouTube also, like how to do it with this adhesive. Is it strong? Is it good? And it is with this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.